Now we will move towards one of the model used for estimation of schedule, that is COCOMO model. COCOMO stands for Constructive Cost Model, which uses a top-down approach for the software cost estimation. This model also estimates a total efforts in terms of person per month. According to Boehm, a software cost estimation should be done through three stages: basic COCOMO, intermediate COCOMO, and complete COCOMO. The basic COCOMO model gives an approximate estimate, also called as nominal estimate, of the project effort. The basic COCOMO estimation model is given by a following expression as effort E is equal to A into KLOC raised to B person per month, where KLOC is the estimated size of the software product expressed in kilo lines of code. The value of constants A and B depend on a project type. In COCOMO, projects are categorized into three types, whereas those three types are organic, semi-detached, and embedded. These categories roughly characterize the complexity of the project. The organic projects are those that are relatively straightforward and developed by a small team with a good experience. The another category is that is semi-detached. A development project can be considered of semi-detached type if the software development consists of mixture of experienced and inexperienced staff. Team members may have limited experience on related system but may be unfamiliar with some aspects of that system being developed. Another one is embedded. A development project is considered to be of embedded type if the software project that must be developed within a set of tight hardware, software, and operational constraints. The constants A and B represented in above formula are as follows for these three types of project. For organic type, the value of A is 3.2 and B is 1.05. For semi-detached type, the A is 3.0, B is 1.12. And for embedded, the value of A is 2.8 and B is 1.20. For three classes of software products, the formulas for estimating the effort, which is represented as above, can be modified as: for organic type of project, E is equal to 3.2 into KLOC raised to 1.05. For semi-detached, E efforts is equal to 3.0 KLOC raised to 1.12, and for embedded projects E is equal to 2.8 into KLOC raised to 1.20. Now we will move towards the intermediate COCOMO model. The basic COCOMO model, as we have seen, which estimates a software development effort by using a size variable only. However, some other project parameters besides the project size affect the effort required to develop the product. Therefore, in order to obtain an accurate estimation of the effort, the effect of overall relevant parameters must be taken into the account. The intermediate COCOMO model recognizes this fact and refines the initial estimate obtained using the basic COCOMO expression by using set of 15 cost drivers. The cost drivers are grouped into 5 categories. First one is software product attributes, computer attributes, personnel attributes, project attributes. Then the software product attributes are nothing but which are required for the software reliability, size of application database, complexity of the product. Computer attributes which represents execution speed required, storage space required. Personnel attributes represent the experience level of persons, programming capabilities, analysis capability of the persons. The project attributes are nothing but use of software tools, applications of software engineering methods, and required development schedule. All above cost drivers are multiplied to get the effort adjacent factor. The final effort estimate E is obtained by multiplying the initial estimate by EAF, that is effort adjustment factor, that is nothing but the intermediate estimate E is equal to effort adjustment factor into the initial efforts calculated in the first model of COCOMO. For example, we are going to represent the requirement rating of the different cost driver attributes are accessed. These ratings along with their multiplying factors are as shown in slide. For complexity project, it is 1.15. For storage project, it is 1.06. For experience, 1.13. Programmer capability, 1.17. It means that all these values are multiplied for calculating the effort adjustment factor, that is EAF, as follow: 1.15 into 1.06, 1.1 into 1.13 into 1.17, that will become 1.61 as EAF, that is effort adjustment factor. The initial efforts estimate for the project is obtained from the relevant equations we have, that is E is equal to 3.2 into 3 raised to 1.5, which will become 10.14. Then for calculating the intermediate efforts, this formula can be represented as we have calculated the effort adjustment factor as 1.61, which is multiplied by the initial efforts calculated into the initial COCOMO model, that is nothing but the intermediate efforts E is equal to 1.61 into 10.14, which will become 16.3 persons per month. This is nothing but about the COCOMO model. The question is asked so many times in the university exam. Write a note on COCOMO model. It is expected that the COCOMO model should be explained into the two steps, that is basic COCOMO model, or which can be called as initial COCOMO model, and intermediate COCOMO model, as explained into this video. This is nothing but about the COCOMO model. Question can be asked for 7 marks in the university exam.